Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel, I cover all things beauty. That includes mega fragrance and designing here and there. If you think that is something you'd be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And before we get into today's video, you guys know I have been doing my lip combos for you guys in the beginning of the video, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So this is probably one that you may have already seen me do because these are some of my go-to products. But what I am wearing today is my NYX lip liner in Espresso. It's just a really nice brown shade. I love this one. On top of it, I end up wearing my Sephora lipstick, but L21, and it's just like a really nice nude. I really enjoy this shade. It's kind of like a cooler tone nude. I really love this one. And then over top of it, I'm just wearing my Makeup by Mario Plumping lip color. Yes, and this one is in soft nude. Y'all know it's just a nice nude, so that's just to add a little, just a hint of shine to the lip, just a little bit more. So yeah, that is my lip combo for today. And in today's video, I have a little Bath and Body Works haul for you guys. I got a couple things recently, nothing too crazy. It's probably like 6 items, but I just wanted to share my little mini haul with you guys. Are interested and want to see my little haul and what I think about some of the new items that are out, then just keep watching. So if you guys have not seen some of my recent Bath and Body Works hauls, I will always have them linked in the cards or linked below so you can check them out. I did recently just do my thoughts on the new Princess collection. Not been my favorite collection so far, but yeah, I did that, as well as what did I do? I did a mini haul. I do have some minis in here, not from that haul, but I did get some more minis. So yeah. So first we're going to go ahead and start with the biggest thing, which was laundry detergent. So I did pick up a new laundry detergent as well as a new scent booster. For whatever reason, they had them 2 for $25 this past week. I don't know if they're still 2 for $25, but you know, I'll let you guys know. But I have been obsessed with my Bath and Body Works laundry soap. Honestly, you guys, they smell amazing. They smell amazing, and the ones that I have gotten really last on my clothes. So much so, my husband was like, "Oh my God, you smell amazing! Like, what is that?" And I'm like, "It's detergent." But yeah, I have really been loving the laundry soap as well as the scent beads. The scent beads are really nice. Like, I just feel like you get the best smell when they are together. But I do mix and match sometimes. I'll use a little bit of a different laundry detergent depending on what I'm washing, and add the boosters, or I add a little bit of detergent of this. It just depends. But yeah, I'm rambling. But yeah, I got 2 of those. So haul previously, and I had showed you that I switched out some laundry beads, I think, and they were amber blush or something like that. I really went in to go get the laundry detergent for that one, but that one was currently sold out at my store. So there, the girl was like, "Have you ever smelled this scent?" And I was like, "No, I've never even seen this scent." I don't know how I didn't pay attention to it, but she said it came out around Halloween. And again, I wasn't really into the laundry soaps until like SAS when they were on sale. Glad I went ahead and got this one. So this is the Moonlit Goddess. So I did get the detergent as well as the booster beads. And y'all, this scent smells so good. It is French lavender, pear blossom, and golden vanilla. I don't know if any of you guys have smelled this, but to me, this almost smells like Burberry Goddess in laundry form. Like, it's so good. Very strong. Like, I cannot wait to use these. I have to wash today. I usually wash on Sundays, but today is Monday. I have to wash today because I didn't wash yesterday, but I'm going to be trying this scent out today, and I'll let you guys know how it smelled or how it went. But I'm pretty sure it's going to be amazing. These do retail for $19.95. So to get them 2 for $25, I felt like that was a really good deal because I had bought them before at 2 for $30. So at 2 for $25, that's what, like $12.50 a piece. And I know that might be a lot, like a little pricey to some, but I feel like this is kind of like, it's giving luxurious, like it's giving something extra. You don't have to use this all the time, you know, if you use like Tide or Gain or All or whatever you use. But if you want to add just an extra little something special to your laundry every now and again, get yourself some of these, and I promise you will not be disappointed, or at least I haven't been disappointed. Some people say they don't, you know, smell that great or they don't smell that loud, but are you putting them together? Are you using both? I feel like you get the best scent when you use the products together. But yeah, I'm so happy to have these. So these smell amazing. I see myself purchasing more laundry detergent and stuff, but I kind of want to use up some of the ones I have unless it goes on like a really good sale. Almost out of the ones that I have in my previous hauls, like my Vanilla Bean Noel, Winter Candy Apple. I'm almost out of those. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the other little things that I purchased. Sorry that was a ramble. It's 6 little items in here. I paid for like 2 things and they weren't more than like $5 or $6. All right, so first of all, I had to pick up socks. Okay, if y'all didn't know, I am a sock fanatic and I absolutely love Bath and Body Works socks. I mean, could you get these type of socks somewhere else for cheaper? Absolutely, but because they're Bath and Body Works, I'm obsessed. Okay, and I love them and I wear them all the time. I actually have on some right now. So yeah. Okay, so the first socks I got them because they were on sale and I used one of my like free minis and got a free mini. But these are the Shamrock socks and these are obviously for St. Patrick's Day. Yeah, I am not of this descent, but I love the color. I love the socks. They have little ladybugs on here. They are adorable. They retail for $8.95. You can use a reward with this if you want to. I have used rewards in the past, but these were, I think, $5.95 for the weekend. So I ended up picking these up. Now, when I went to my store, I picked for whatever reason it would only let me purchase like one online. So when I went into my store, I was going to purchase another pair and then swap it out for these other pair of socks. But when I went into one of my stores, they were completely sold out. She was like, literally somebody came in there and bought 9 pair yesterday, which sold them out for the remainder of what they had. So I ended up ordering another pair of socks from another Bath and Body Works, doing like an online pickup in store. So I ended up ordering another pair of these from a different store, and then when I went in there, they had the bunny ones, so I was able to exchange them for these, and I love that. Again, they retail for the same price, but these are the Easter socks. You guys, they are so freaking cute. Okay, like so adorable. Cute like little ruffles at the top. These are the first socks that I noticed that have like that little ruffle detailing, because they normally just look like that. But that's really cute. So yeah, I was able to get both of these for $5.95, but I actually end up getting these for $5.95, and these I actually got for free when I did a different online pickup in store, and I just purchased hand sanitizer. So I was able to purchase a hand sanitizer, and then one of their coupons, was it the free item? I don't know if it was the free item or the birthday item. I can't remember which item I used, but it made these socks free. I don't know how, but it made the socks free, so that was great. And all I did was purchase the hand sanitizer, which was the $1.95. So I ended up getting this one. This is watermelon lemonade. I wouldn't purchase any hand sanitizers usually at full price, but to get this and this for free, and then I got another free item, I did that. All right, now y'all, I am so chatty today. I don't know why. So now we're gonna get into these mini sprays that I got. This first one I got is sweet carrot cake. I also got Tutti Frutti candy, and then I got Belle. So let me tell y'all how this worked. So I placed 2 different orders. So I went to one store and did the $5.95 socks, and then I got my free birthday gift. So that's how I got that one. And then I went to their online purchase at another store, and I purchased the hand sanitizer for $1.95, and then I had 2 free rewards, another account that I have. And again, I don't remember if it was the birthday reward or if it was the, you know, the new coupon they had for the free item under $9.95. I ended up getting both of these for free. So yeah, still a video, happy about that. But let's go ahead and talk about these fragrances really quickly before we get up out of here. So I'm getting the Princess collection. I end up getting Belle, and when I tell y'all these fragrances are selling out, especially in the minis, I don't know when they sold out, but they're selling out, because the very first store I went to didn't have any of the Belle at all. All they had was Moana, and they had, I think, Cinderella. Those are the only 2 minis left. I didn't want those. I did let my daughter smell all of the Princess ones, and I let her pick out the couple of ones that she thought were nice, and she ended up picking Belle, but again, those were unavailable, so I couldn't get any of those. So I end up getting her Belle, so I'm gonna go ahead and give her this one. She hasn't smelled this one. Again, I did reviews on all of the Princess sprays. Belle ended up being my favorite. Surprisingly, sprayed that one on my skin, and I really like the way it sat once the rose kind of died down a little bit. For whatever reason, the rose does not stay through and through on my skin, and I'm happy about that. But I found that this one did fade away pretty fast, but it is okay. Like I said, it's a free mini. She liked the scent, so she will be pleasantly surprised with that. And then I do have the 2 Easters. So I don't own either one of these in anything, I don't think. I know baby girl has Tutti Frutti candy from like a couple years ago. She has, I know, the glitter spray. I can't remember if she has like the regular spray. I don't know the scent notes on here, but I will post them on the screen. But I don't really remember what this one smells like. Okay, I have remember hearing people say that this reminds them of champagne toast, and I can totally see why. It was extremely strong, really sweet. I do kind of get like a champagne toastness, but I also get like, it kind of smells like jelly beans or something. So yeah, I did get these because I wanted to use in her Easter basket, but we will see. I have to go through her collection to see if she has this one in a regular spray, because if so, it's no point of me buying her backup of that one. And I don't know if we're gonna get full size of either of the Easter sprays. Yeah, I just realized Easter isn't until April this year. Sometimes it's in March, sometimes it's in April. It's definitely April this year. So I started buying Easter stuff thinking it was in March. It's not until April. All right, but this one is the one I was really excited about. This is a newer scent. We have had this in a candle form. I have it in a candle. I've never burnt it. So I was excited to see it, but now that I've seen some people talking about it, I'm a little nervous because it's not as gourmand as I want, or as people thought. It seems to be a little bit more spicy. So let me go ahead and spray it. Okay. It's definitely spicy. It's giving like cinnamon, almost like a Cinnabon or something, but like with like, you know how cinnamon sometimes has that like spicy kick to it? That's kind of what this is giving. So yeah, I don't 100% know. I love this one. I don't think this is one baby girl would really like because it smells so spicy. But yeah, it's a semi disappointment because I really wanted this to be like a actual carrot cake, and I don't eat carrot cake like that, but I do like the scent of it. But I mean, I kind of get where they was going. I just wish they pulled back a little bit of that spicy cinnamon note and gave more like cake. So yeah, it's not bad though. My little haul. I'm so sorry that I probably rambled a lot through this. I'm gonna try to chop it up as much as I can because this doesn't need to be a 20-minute video for like 6 items. Like, it's insane. But yeah guys, that is it. That is everything that I have recently purchased from Bath and Body Works. Honestly, they have not been having that many good sales. I did hear that we are supposed to be having like a body lotion type sale coming up, and I hope that includes the body butters, because there is like 1 or 2 body butters I want to pick up. I think we're supposed to have a sale on Friday the 28th. I don't know what day this video is going up, but it'll be up before then. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in another video.